The first, I would like to respect my teacher and everyone. My name is Minh Liang. Today I'm reading about my mother. My mother's name is Kim and she is 38 years old. She is a sailor every day. She gets up at 5 o'clock a.m. She lives in Bridgeport Village. Her favorite color is pink. Her favorite sport is swimming. Her favorite animal is cat. I love my mother so much because she is very nice and very kind person. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone, for watching my video.